Discipline is a foundational concept in achieving long-term goals and personal growth. While willpower can provide a temporary boost of motivation, it often fades when faced with challenges or distractions. Relying solely on willpower may lead to inconsistent progress and frustration. Discipline, on the other hand, involves creating habits and routines that support sustained effort over time. By understanding the limitations of willpower, we can appreciate why discipline is essential for lasting success.
The prefrontal cortex is a key region of the brain located at the front of the cerebral cortex. It plays a vital role in self-control, enabling us to regulate impulses and make thoughtful choices. This area is also central to decision-making, allowing us to weigh options, anticipate consequences, and plan for the future. Additionally, the prefrontal cortex is deeply involved in habit formation, helping us establish routines and adapt our behaviors over time. Its functions are essential for managing complex tasks and navigating everyday challenges.
Scientific research has revealed that the brain's wiring plays a crucial role in shaping our capacity for discipline. Neural pathways associated with self-control and decision-making can influence how consistently we pursue goals and resist distractions. Importantly, the concept of neuroplasticity shows that these pathways are not fixed. The brain can adapt and reorganize itself in response to new experiences and habits. This means that with intentional practice, individuals can strengthen the neural circuits that support disciplined behavior. Over time, these changes can lead to lasting improvements in self-regulation and personal growth.
Rewiring the prefrontal cortex can be achieved through several practical strategies. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation and focused breathing, help enhance attention and emotional regulation. Cognitive training exercises, like memory games and problem-solving tasks, strengthen neural connections and improve executive function. Habit stacking involves pairing new, positive behaviors with existing routines, making it easier to adopt lasting changes. By consistently applying these techniques, individuals can support the development of healthier thought patterns and decision-making skills.
Environment design plays a crucial role in shaping our behaviors, often making discipline feel less like a struggle and more like a natural response. Subtle cues, such as the placement of objects or visual reminders, can guide our choices without conscious effort. Establishing routines within a well-structured environment helps reinforce positive habits, reducing the need for constant willpower. Social factors, including the influence of peers and shared norms, further support disciplined behavior by creating a sense of accountability and encouragement. By thoughtfully designing our surroundings, we can make disciplined actions easier and more sustainable over time.
Several case studies highlight the shift from depending solely on willpower to embracing science-based strategies for lasting discipline. For instance, one individual struggling with unhealthy eating habits found success by implementing habit tracking and environmental cues, rather than relying on sheer determination. Another example involves a company that improved employee productivity by introducing structured routines and positive reinforcement, leading to measurable long-term results. These real-world transformations demonstrate how practical, evidence-based methods can foster sustainable discipline, making personal and professional goals more attainable.
In summary, we've explored how neuroscience can offer practical strategies for achieving success with less effort. By understanding how the brain responds to habits, motivation, and stress, you can tailor your approach to maximize productivity and well-being. Remember, small changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements over time. Applying these science-backed techniques empowers you to work smarter, not harder, and unlock your full potential. Embrace these insights to make your journey towards success both effective and sustainable.